998 Delta Whiskey's at McAir. Would like to taxi for northbound departure. Information pop-up.
Cessna 998 Delta Whiskey Metro Ground, runway 30 right, taxi via Romeo 4 Alpha.
Runway 30 right, taxi via Romeo 4 Alpha.
For Denver approach. For more information, advise on initial contact via Papa. Metro for information, Papa 1748 Zulu, wind 030 at 6. Temperature 18, dew point 0, altimeter 299 Visual approach in use, landing runways 30 right and 30 left. Notice the Stearman crane, 9/10 of a mile south-southeast of Metro Airport, 300 feet AGL. Taxiway Romeo 1 closed. Hazardous weather information is available from flight service. Airmets in effect for Colorado and surrounding states. Starting at 1810 Zulu, temporary flight restriction in effect. 3 nautical mile radius of Coors Field near downtown Denver, surface to 8,300. Until further notice for a sporting event, contact flight service or Denver approach for more information. Advise on initial contact via Papa.
Metro Ground, Sky 5290 Victor's at McAir, ready to taxi VFR to the south with Papa.
This is 5290 Victor, Metro Ground, runway 30 right, taxi via Alpha.
30 right, taxi via Alpha, 90 Victor.
Metro Ground, helicopter 30, Hotel at Bravo 1, requesting taxi back to Helios ramp.
That radio is unusable.
Okay, so we're coming down Romeo 4, past the hotspot right here for helicopters doing their helicopter things. Down, make a right, a left on
584, what's the
Alpha,
current
30
barometer
right,
you're reading?
and the run-up area.
Say again?
We got
584, just wondering what your barometer is reading up there.
Metro altimeter 297.
584, thanks.
What do I do with him? Just
We'll
Metro Ground,
start.
helicopter 30,
Let's start our
Hotel at
taxi.
Bravo 1, request taxi back to Helios ramp.
Helicopter 30 Hotel, Metro Ground, hover taxi Bravo 1, good day.
Hover taxi Bravo 1. And also just to give you guys a heads up, every time ground makes a call on tower frequency, we can hear the
Let's go.
interruptions.
Out of their way.
Helicopter 30 Hotel, let me make sure I understand correctly. So ground frequency is bleeding over the tower frequency?
Correct, 30 Hotel.
Helicopter 30 Hotel, roger, thanks for the report.
Alright, cool. Just get out of their way.
74 is loud and clear on both frequencies.
Now we can slow down a little bit.
Sure, 974, roger, thanks.
The tower frequency, or ground frequency is bleeding over to tower, huh? That's good.
it's not already chaotic enough.
Yeah, really.
It's an impressive short field if he landed that.
Yeah, and got off at Echo.
This is 90 Victor, traffic westbound on Alpha, they'll turn in at Romeo 2, give way to them.
Give way to traffic, 90 Victor. You gonna clear that global, the wingspan?
I don't know. That's a very good point. That's such a big airplane.
Yeah, they're like, oh, where do we go? Off we go.
Right, your discretion, contact ground point 7, good day.
Right 2.5 forward, be grounded.
Private Warwick check.
Wind 030 at 8.
Private 4, is it possible to switch runways?
Just 584, roger, standby. Continue left close traffic, 30 left for now.
Private 4, left traffic for 30 left.
Metro Tower Sky 5290 Victor, holding short 30 right, Alpha 1, be a part of the south. I was gonna say, that's kind of surprising they're using 30 with.
Yeah, you can look at the wind side, showing a tailwind. Actually 8 knots.
Cessna 5290 Victor, Metro Tower, second direction of flight, please.
VFR to the south, 90 Victor.
Roger, Skag 99 Juliet, right turn out, north approved, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 30 right with the turn 99 Juliet.
Cessna 90 Victor, fly straight out, all cars south turn, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 30 right, 90 Victor, we'll fly straight out.
Metro Tower, Cherokee 2675 Tango, holding short 30 right.
Cherokee 2675 Tango, Metro Tower, stay direction of flight, please.
Northbound VFR today, 75 Tango.
Cherokee 75 Tango, roger. Full short of runway 30 right.
Hold short 30 right, 75 Tango.
Skywagon 41 Echo, descend, start your descent now.
Alright, started descent for 41 Echo.
Cherokee 75 Tango, traffic ahead will be straight out, right turn out north approved, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, right turn approved, 30 right, 75 Tango.
Skywagon 41 Echo, Cherokee taking the runway for departure, ahead runway 30 right, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 30 right, Cherokee 41 Echo.
Wind sensor indicating a Metro 110
Traffic.
at 8. However, the wind socks are all showing crosswind from the north at about 7 to 8 knots.
Afternoon Metro Tower, Skyhawk 75775, 8 to the north, inbound, touch and goes, negative ATIS.
Skyhawk 75775, Metro Tower working on a new ATIS now, current wind is 120 at 8, altimeter 29907, flight to Marshall Lake for straight in runway 12 right.
Flight to Marshall Lake for straight in 12
lift.
right, and we'll get that ATIS for you, 75775.
I think he just looked at us and he's like, yeah, they're not.
Metro Upper information, Quebec is now current, runways 12 left and right and east. Wind variable from the east at 8 knots, altimeter 29907. TFR in effect over downtown, surface to 8,300.
I was outside in the backyard, laying in the sun, watching the clouds roll by. Spent a long, hard week at work and now it's time to relax. She says, honey, the grass is getting high. So I tell her that I've gotta go out for a while, but I avoid telling her just where or why. 'Cause even though I disagree, I guess I ought to go see if my grass is looking long from the sky. Take a Sunday flight, I need some time for this body. I can go anywhere, Sunday flight feels so good on the weekend. Me and my plane, we're cruising through the air. On Tuesday the boss says drive to Carolina, bring your tools along and fix some new machine. Here's the Visa MasterCard, take the company car, hurry back, should see you Monday next week. About 1,800 miles of driving on those freeways, sounds dangerous, not my idea of fun. But if I do the flying, instead of all that driving, bikini, sand and nightlife, here I come. Take a Sunday flight, I need some time for this body. I can go anywhere, Sunday flight feels so good on the weekend. Me and my plane, we're cruising through the air. It's been almost 2 weeks and she hasn't said a word, except for that I've gone too far this time. It's her fault, she sent me out to buy some new transportation. How was I to know she had a car in mind? When I got home, she's asking all kinds of questions about that 2-door turbo speakers in the rear. I said, oh yeah, it's got all that. It's sleek and it's fast, and it's even got retractable gear. Take a Sunday flight, need some time for this body. I can go anywhere, Sunday flight feels so good on the weekend. Me and my plane, we're cruising through the air. Take a Sunday flight, I need some time for this body. I can go anywhere, Sunday flight feels so good on the weekend. Me and my plane, cruising through the air.
5 Charlie Papa, runway 12 right, clear for the option.
Runway 12 right, clear for the option, 5 Charlie Papa.
Cessna 0 Juliet, number 2, runway 12 right, clear for the option.
Number 2 for 12 right, clear for the option, 0 Juliet.
Some wind there at the end.
Yeah. Ballooned us up.
Just head down here so we can make a left.
Yep. We'll turn on Bravo.
Cessna 90 Victor, turn left onto runway 3, cross runway 12 left on runway 3, and contact ground 121.7.
Cessna runway 3, cross 12 left, contact ground 121.7. You have a good day, 90 Victor.
Slow down.
Metro ground, Skyhawk 5290 Victor, on runway 3 at Alpha, request taxi back to parking at McCare.
Cessna 5290 Victor, Metro ground, taxi to parking
Cessna 0 Juliet, change my
3,
frequency.
Bravo 3, and you can give way to that tug southbound on the ramp.
Runway 3 to Bravo 3, we'll give way to the tug, 90 Victor.
A Challenger?
Yeah, it's a cool looking.
Yeah, I like the paint job on it.